An era of rapid economic growth in China with the boom of internet gave rise to a new generation, Generation Z. Like no other generation before, they grow up in affluent times and are internet-savvy consumers and trendsetters. They are transforming online entertainment in China. Born to address their demand, Bilibili is the welcoming home of diverse culture and interests, and represents the iconic brand for online entertainment serving young generations in China. Started as a content community inspired by anime, comics, and games, Bilibili has evolved into a full-spectrum online entertainment world with 130 million and growing monthly active users, over 80% of whom are Gen Z. Bilibili created an immersive entertainment experience for Gen Z and built highly sticky and engaged communities. Our pioneered community feature, Bullet Chatting, transforms viewing experience by allowing audience to share thoughts and feelings real-time with others viewing the same video. We also create a unique membership exam, leading to users' strong sense of belonging. As a result, our users spend approximately 77 minutes daily on Bilibili. Our dynamic communities fuel an ever-growing supply of creative, professional, user-generated content. And content creators earn respect and rewards from our users, forming a self-reinforcing virtuous cycle. We believe China will soon become the largest online entertainment market in the world, and young generations will be the driving force in this transformation. The Bilibili team comes from our users. Leveraging our deep understanding of them and our competitive advantages, we are well positioned to capture the significant opportunities. Bilibili, enrich the everyday life of young generations in China.